So, listen, I'm attempting to learn JavaScript from scratch. Yeah, I know, groundbreaking, right? Actually, it's mostly just me sitting in a dark room wondering why I did this to myself. Stick around and watch me get tormented by data types that are most probably simple to some of you geniuses but are currently ruining my life. I'm doing the free code campus because I'm a massive cheapskate. If it's free, it's for me. Honestly, though, it's actually surprisingly good. It breaks things down really simply. Okay, enough glazing. Let's talk about the basics. The first lesson was an intro into the basics. Now, some of it was fine. Numbers, strings, booleans, easy. These make sense. A number is a number, a string is just a text, a boolean is just a fancy way of saying yes or no. I was feeling confident. At this point I was feeling like a hacker. And then the jargon started. Floating point values. What the hell is that, man? Why can't you just call it a decimal? You're telling me 10.5 has a floating point? Where is the point going? Is it on vacation? You can't be calling these things basic and then dropping terminology that sounds like a physics equation. But then nothing, and I mean nothing, prepared me for the difference between an object and a symbol. I was literally hovering near the crying stage of grief. I read the definition of a symbol like 5 times in a row. A special type of value that is always unique and cannot be changed. So, tell me this, is it a value? Is it a label? Is it a value used to identify a label? Like what? My brain was just a 4 error at this point, but I think I got it. After staring at my screen until eyes hurt, it clicked. A symbol is like a fingerprint. Even if two people look identical, their fingerprint is unique. So you use that unique value to label things inside an object, which is just a container for data. So nothing gets mixed up. If I'm wrong, please roast me in the comments. Correct me. I'm just a student here. Anyway, thank you for listening to my pointless rant. This was just day 1. Next time, I'll probably be screaming about something else, like arrays or functions. Stick around if you want to watch the slow descent into madness that is learning to code. See ya.